Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, we are going to do unboxing. I'm going to unbox my Ninja blender, okay? And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well and subscribe to my channel and tap on that bell icon. In that way, you get instant notifications every time I upload a new video. So thank you also so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. So without any delay, let's dive into this video.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're silent, bold, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. You're silent, bold, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Silent, bold, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild. Silent, bold, the wind is calling. You must return to the wild.
So guys, we've come to the end of this unboxing. As you can see, I love this blender. Like honestly, I have used this blender for some years now, and it's just absolutely the way it is as you're seeing it now. You can see it's a very strong blender. You can see the blade. So my lovelies, as you can see, I have extra 2 cups, which one of them you can use to blend something hard. All right, so overall is a very good product, okay? And they have different varieties of this blender, but this one is so nice. I've used this one, and by his grace I'm going to use more of their brands in the future. Okay, so yeah, thank you all for staying with me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye.